In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Clockify with Trello to start timing from cards. Open Trello and go straight to the board where you want to use time tracking. Once the board is open, look for the Power-Ups option near the top of the board. Click Power-Ups, then choose Add Power-Ups. A search area will appear, and this is where you can look for the app you want to connect. Type in Clockify. When Clockify appears in the results, click it, then click Add. This installs the Clockify Power-Up on that Trello board so you can use time tracking directly from cards. As soon as the Power-Up is added, the next thing you need to do is connect Trello to your Clockify account. Stay in Trello and find the Clockify Power-Up settings. Open Power-Up settings for Clockify. You'll see a field for an API key. Don't worry if that field is empty right now. You're going to generate the key in Clockify, copy it, and bring it back here. Now, open Clockify in a new tab or window and sign into your account if you haven't already. Once you're inside Clockify, go to your profile icon, usually located in the top corner of the screen. Click your profile icon, then choose Preferences. Inside Preferences, look for the Advanced section and open it. In Advanced, find API keys and click that option. You're now in the area where Clockify lets you create a secure key that Trello can use to connect to your account. Click Generate New. Clockify will ask you to name the key. Give it a simple name that helps you recognize what it's for, such as Trello Integration or Trello Timer. After naming it, click Generate. The new API key will appear on screen. Carefully copy that API key. Make sure you copy the full key exactly as shown, with no extra spaces before or after it. Once it's copied, go back to the Trello tab where the Clockify Power-Up settings are still open. Click into the API key field and paste the key you just generated. After pasting it, click Save. At this point, the connection between Trello and Clockify should be active. Now that the integration is connected, it's time to test it on an actual Trello card. Open any card on your board. Inside the card, look for the Clockify section. Depending on your layout, it may appear in the card details area or in the Power-Ups area within the card. In that Clockify section, you should now see a Start Timer option. Click Start Timer to begin tracking time for that specific Trello card. Once you click Start Timer, Clockify starts recording time linked to that task. You can leave the card open or continue working as needed. The important part is that the timer is now running through Clockify while being launched from Trello. This is useful because it lets you turn Trello cards directly into trackable work sessions, without having to manually create a time entry first in a separate app. When you're finished with the task, return to the card and look again in the Clockify section. You should see the running timer, along with a stop option. Click Stop when you're done. That ends the tracked session and sends the recorded time into your Clockify account. To make sure everything worked correctly, switch back to Clockify and check your recorded time entries. Look for the latest entry that matches the Trello card you tracked. If you see the time there, the integration is working properly. That confirms that Trello can now start and stop Clockify timers directly from cards. At this point, the setup is complete, and you can repeat the same process on any card in that board whenever you want to track work. Just open the card, click Start Timer when you begin, and click Stop when you finish. That gives you a simple way to measure time without breaking your workflow. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. A couple of quick things to keep in mind while using this. If you open a Trello card and don't see the Clockify section, first make sure the Power-Up was added to the correct board. Power-Ups are usually board-specific, so adding it on one board doesn't always mean it appears everywhere else. If needed, go back to the board menu, open Power-Ups again, and confirm that Clockify is installed there. If the API key doesn't seem to work, go back into Clockify, open Preferences, then Advanced, then API keys, and generate a fresh key. Copy it carefully and replace the old one in the Trello Clockify settings. Then save again. A small copy and paste mistake is one of the most common reasons integrations fail, so it's worth checking closely. Also, if you use multiple workspaces in Clockify, make sure you're signed into the right one before testing your Trello timer. Otherwise, your time entry may be recorded somewhere you weren't expecting. After you stop the timer, it's always a good idea to verify the entry in Clockify so you know exactly where your track time is going. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Clockify with Trello and can now start timing directly from your Trello cards. Stop the timer when your work is done and verify the entry inside Clockify. Congratulations, your setup is ready to use.